In this video, we're going to look at a stretch known as the knee to knee. Now, it is a little bit of an odd name because at no stage you actually have your knee to your knee. It's actually more of a ankle to knee. But this one is great for our internal and external rotation of our hip because we take the hip both internally and externally. Now, that can be great because when some of our movement, either internally or externally, is affected, that can place extra stress on our knees, some of our SI joint in the hip and all that sort of stuff. So it's pretty much the joints above and below. And potentially our lower back as well. So we really need to make sure that we have movement internally and externally, especially in hockey where we have change of direction such multiple times in a game and such so rapidly. Okay, so what we do here is feet, they're going to be outside shoulder width, and it's going to be far enough that I can drop, if I move back into camera here a little bit out of shot, if I can drop that knee down to the heel of my other foot. Okay, now it doesn't matter which way you go, we will do both. Once you're down there, both knees sitting on the ground, I will lift up this foot and place that ankle on top of that knee pretty much. All right, from here, I'm gonna go and lay back and then relax into that stretch, okay? Here, what I'm trying to do is just lay and let gravity do the work. Slowly over time, and as my internal and external rotation get better, this hip will lower much further down, okay? What it is I'm just letting gravity take this top hip back down towards the ground. So, laying here, couple of minutes each side. As you can see, the left leg here is internally rotated, and the right is a little bit externally rotated with that. So yeah, check that one out. Give it a go both sides. We used to use this quite a lot as a cool down for 3 to 4 minutes each side. If you're going to do it more of a warm up, you might want to check out one of our mobile hip exercises, more so something like a can opener or things like that. But can also be used, but a little bit better instance in the cool down phase and mobility stuff. So look, give it a go, check it out, let us know how you find it, and let's get those hips nice and mobile.